We have a total of 5,000 registered voters in Fairview Elementary School. So far, we've had about a 9.5% turnout, which is, comparatively to the rest of the county so far, actually pretty good. Countywide, we have two different types of voting now. When you can come in, you have an option of voting paper or electronic. And so today we have 3 electronic machines, and we have enough paper ballots to cover everybody that's needed. We have a longer ballot than usual. We have 11 races that are up right now, and that takes a little bit longer than usual. It's taken us about 3.5 minutes to vote in general, which is just making the queue for the electronic voters just a little bit longer.
And I wasn't surprised at the ballot because I had gone online yesterday and downloaded what our ballot was going to look like, and I had been using the Burke Center patch to track some of the issues and so forth, and just looking forward to seeing the results tonight or tomorrow morning.
I have a great group of election officials that help out, and we have a very good community here in Burke, and so we got a lot of folks that come out and they meet each other, and actually they gather in the parking lot and they come in and vote in small groups, which is really nice.
We try to make this a welcoming place. We celebrate new voters when we have them come in. We have a really great community in Burke Center. We kind of take care of each other, and this is one of the things we do.
My experience today was very smooth. They're very efficient. They seem to know exactly what they're doing, and it was a pleasant experience.